Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a working email in the Airbnb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. So in order to set up a working email, you need to switch to the hosting mode. So for that, look for the hosting section and click on the switch to hosting button. And then just click on the menu button and click on the settings button. And within this, look for the travel for work button and click on that. And here you can just type in another email address that you want to use specifically for work and business. And then just click on the add work email button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.